Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to make a very easy stitch pattern again as usual and as always. So I have here my acrylic yarn and I'm going to use my 4mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So to start off, we are going to make our slip knot. And the pattern calls for a multiple of 5 plus 2. So again, it depends on what project you're going to do. Just make your foundation chain multiples of 5 and add 2 at the end. So I have made my foundation chain and I added 2 more stitches at the end. So for row 1, we are going to make our first double crochet on the 5th chain from the hook. Of course, the stitch here on our hook doesn't count, so we're going to start from here 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we're going to make our double crochet. You have the option to use the back bump for a cleaner finish. So yarn over, we're going to skip 2 chains and we're going to make our shell or our slant shell here on the next stitch. Our slant shell consists of 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet. They are all in 1 chain. So whenever I mention shell, this is the 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 double crochet all in 1 chain. So we're going to skip 2 chains and we're going to repeat our shell. 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet all on the same chain. So you just have to repeat skipping 2 chains and doing the shell on the next chain until your last chain. So that's just a small tip. So for those who are also a very tight crocheter, for your foundation chain you may use a bigger hook, a 4.5 maybe, for your foundation chain, because you see I use the same hook for my foundation chain and it's a bit tighter than the body of my crochet. That's why it is not straight and it is curling. This is just to show you. All right. So that's our pattern and that's our tip as well. So just repeat what we did on the second row. Chain 3 and turn your work and make 1 double crochet on the next chain. And we're going to make use of the chain 1 space of the previous row. And that is where we're going to make our slant shell for this row. Chain 1, so that's it for today. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please don't forget my tip for your foundation chain, especially if you are a tight crocheter. So happy crocheting everyone. I hope you learned a thing or two on our video for today. Happy crocheting and God bless.